one.
Okay, it is January 22nd, 2021. We have here a BCVault 1 that recently arrived in the shrink wrap still. It's standard box. I believe this one was shipped from Slovenia. It's still got the hologram on here. It's got the UPC barcode. BCVault 1. We're going to open. There's some section here that's a little easier to start. We're going to remove the shrink wrap. So we got the BCVault 1 here. And we will see if we can push this through. So now we have one here. Oh, we got these hologram stickers that need to be opened. Now this is going to be part 1 of this video. We'll do a part 2 after we get this thing open. Part 2 will actually connect it and test the software. So we get a dear customer letter here that's got this kind of SIM card like shape to it. Yeah, we got a letter here from the CEO of BCVault. This is from Renato Uhl. And then we have a refer a friend. We have a happy or not happy. So this is kind of like a letter there. They also ship us with this little bag here. It's a drawstring bag. This, I guess, is to hold our BCVault 1 device. It's a nice kind of felt bag. I have a similar bag for some whiskey stones that I keep something in. This one is kind of labeled with this BCVault here. It actually looks, it's pretty high quality. And now we'll actually see the BCVault here in the box. It's got a nice little plastic here to protect during shipping. Some more hologram here. I'm gonna pop this out. And it's interesting, on first pass, it looks like this sticker is to kind of like show that it's like been sealed from somebody, like at a factory perhaps. It's got this sticker on here still, like that's like a factory kind of to protect this LED screen. We'll take a look at what else is in here. Good packaging. And we have a Type A USB-C that says BC on there and BCVault on this side. It's a nice quality cable, it feels like. And this is a 90-degree USB Type-C angle adapter. Looks like this will plug in somewhere. Looks like maybe we have to remove this sticker to get to the USB-C port, possibly, because I don't see a USB-C port in here. All I see on this side by this hologram sticker is a micro SD slot card. So maybe this is the USB-C port here. So I'm actually going to remove this. It looks like maybe they put this sticker on here to show that nobody has tampered with this device or put something on there during shipping. So now I will remove this sticker, and now there it is. I see a USB-C port underneath this hologram. So this is the Type-C port that we can use this cable or some other similar cable for. And this is a micro SD card slot. It does say, if you actually look at the product description on the BCVault website, that they do ship you a micro SD card with the device for doing backups of your wallet. Or Vault in this case. It's not clear to me how to remove this card if I wanted to back up this card or the contents of this card to another card. It's not clear how to remove this. It looks like it'd be really hard to get out, but maybe it's a push thing. Let me test. Yes, it's a little bit of a push. You kind of have to pull it with your fingernail. It looks incredibly hard to get this out without using tweezers. Like I'm struggling. Like I push this and now the card is sticking out by like 0.5 millimeter. And I can't figure out how to get this thing out of here without using tweezers. So that's going to remain a difficult situation, but this card is probably not designed to come in and out very often. But if you did want to make more than one backup for when you flash the firmware of your BCVault, you're probably going to have a hard time getting this in and out without tweezers. We're going to go ahead for now, since we'll do part 2 soon. We will close the sticker on the USB-C. We'll push the micro SD card back into the slot all the way, or try to. There it goes. Now it's back in flush with the side of the device. But overall, the weight, it's incredibly light. I'm going to test the fit in the bag here in part 1 of this video. Yeah, it fits in the bag really nice. So I think overall, like, if this drawstring would stay tight, which it doesn't kind of want to by itself, it's trying. It seems like a pretty good setup. There's no cushion for this, and I noticed that some people on various forums and on YouTube video comments, some people think that a Pelican case would be a great thing for this, to store this in like a really firm fiberglass Pelican style case. And I think that overall that would probably be a better storage than this, but this is just a nice little touch from the manufacturer as a little bonus. And they also have included in this box a couple BCVault stickers, which are also these hologram-like deals. So this is like the perfect size to kind of like cover up like an Apple logo on the back of like a MacBook computer or something like that. But yeah, made in the EU. It doesn't say anything about Slovenia or any other European Union-based country. It says made in the EU, which I find really interesting. I've never really seen that kind of branding before, but here I'm seeing it. So that's it for part 1 of this video. Thanks for watching, and look for part 2 coming soon.